tumbled leather. Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today, man, we have the Jordan 4 Red Thunder. And I know I did this sneaker before, but it's been a while. The shoe has actually come out now, so I wanted to get a new pair. You know, this is an updated batch just to show you guys the shoe once more. Y'all know I hate doing reviews over and over and over again, but I assure you this is the last time I'm going to do this shoe. So before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Please thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. It is greatly appreciated. It helps the channel grow. Follow me over there on the Instagram for all of the latest and greatest updates. Go ahead and check out that Reels page. You might see some stuff up on there that I have done, that I reviewed, and some stuff that I haven't reviewed yet. So go check out that Reels page. That would be greatly appreciated. And make sure you guys follow us in the Discord for Where the Cops, because that's where you will find the most information. The reviews are on the YouTube channel, and that's where I show all the details. But if you really want to find out where to get shoes, and if you need help getting shoes, whether it be StockX, GOAT, or any other means, go ahead and follow us in that Discord, and we got you back. The link is in the description. So I'm not really going to spend a lot of time on this shoe. I'm just going to break it down. It's a really simple colorway, but this one hit hard when it released this year. So let's just jump right into it. Don't mind the ashy hands. They ashy, but I'm a working man. All right, so we have an all black upper. We got some red hits on the waffles. We have the red on the medial section. We have red also on the midsole, and we have some red on the outsole, okay? So first things first, the toe box. The toe box looks pretty good. I like the way that looks. It's nice and curved. You know what I'm saying? We got some good vibes there with that toe box. Not bad at all. I'm liking the way this cage is going. It's going downwards. That's the way it's supposed to be. We got some nice rigid waffles here. That's holding our laces there pretty good. The cage on the tongue right here at the bottom looks very, very nice. It's not too big, and it's actually spaced well, so not bad there. Overall, we got a really, really nice nubuck on here. This nubuck is pretty good. Now, I know the actual release on the retail release and all of that, this was very inconsistent, but this one is pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You got a nice vibe right there. Nice nubuck, nice and soft. And you guys can see it's got a little bit of transition. Not much, but it is there. You guys can see that. So not bad at all. Here's that red midsole right there. And you got that white in there looking pretty good. Looks like there's something right here, like a little drip of maybe a little drip of like glue or something. I don't know what that is. It actually looks like something had gotten pressed into the shoe. That's what it feels like, but doesn't bother me. Heel of the shoe, you got your Jumpman right there, and that looks really good. His arms nice and defined. Not bad at all. This spacing right here looks pretty good on the bottom, so I can't complain there. Outsole of the shoe, this is probably my favorite part of the shoe. It's all black, got that white Jumpman, and you got that red hit right there. Very nice. I like that. It's super clean. Really, really slick. Tongue of the shoe, you get these black laces. No extra laces came with these when they released, so you only get the black. Some people have been putting the red in there. I'm not really a fan of the red. I think if it was me, I would probably put white, but ultimately I would just go with the black. I think this is the cleanest look. Tongue of the shoe, you got your Flight right there. Jumpman, that tag looks really nice, so nothing to complain about there. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. Get a standard shoe tree with these joints, and the insole is a standard foam insole. Not bad. You know, I know they're doing that new Dream Cell stuff, and that's what's supposed to be in here, but this isn't bad. I mean, it's okay. It's not the best comfort in the world. I do like the Dream Cell stuff more because it's a little thicker than this, and it's actually it's got some arch support in it, but this'll do, you know what I'm saying? So this shoe is not too bad at all. So overall, you know, this is really a clean shoe, a really, really clean look. I know I've done this one before. It's dope, you know what I'm saying? It's dope. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably go with a solid 8.5. I like the colorway. I'm really plain. I like all black shoes. So for me, it pleases me to see an all black shoe with a nice, you know, it's not overdone. It's not crazy amounts of red on it. It's just enough red and just enough black. I think it's super clean. Construction and materials used, the materials are really good. All the lines seem to be in the right place. Under the black light, there was no lines, no nothing. Definitely very good crafted shoe. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So if you guys want to know where we got these joints, just go ahead and hit us up in the Discord. We got your back. We'll put you on and let you know where to go. And if you need help, like I said, we got you. I'm about to get up out of here. I got some more shoes to review. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.